Okay. Those are in. Now we have the cover. And literally this little blue hook thing. Oops. Sorry guys. Dropped my phone. I can get a little closer here. This just pushes in here. That's it. To take it off, it says pull to release. Okay, so I didn't videotape it, but I just filled up the water. So this thing literally just has a little handle on the back. These two little grooves, they just fit on here. Slide them on. It literally on the top says water. This thing's pretty foolproof. Dirty water will go in here. When that little ball lifts up, it's full. You'll kind of hear a difference in how it sounds. And then this, which I'm about to use, oh, it's kind of dirty. I didn't clean it there. That's where the hose goes for the hand attachment, which I'm going to use for my car. And then back here, again, foolproof solution tank. This thing just comes off. Turn it over, you fill it up. I use ZEP, Z-E-P, on carpets and everything else. It seems like amazing. Carpets, mattresses. Clean your mattresses, you guys, because they're disgusting. Yeah, and that's it. Power button, like a vacuum. Push this to make it come down. This is a handle to carry. It literally says carry handle. Again, pretty foolproof. Let's get this car clean.